1. Don't make others ashamed.
Midang ti may zoom na ding in bawal kain.
2. Don't be jealous of others' success.
Midang tigwal sao na ha sa kain.
3. Time and tide wait for namon.
Tuy luang in mingak, lohe.
4. Acknowledge and appeal.
Miti tapiain.
5. Conwage is power.
Pil na in tataw na he.
6. Compete everyone.
Na din mun mi dang titawa kita kain.
7. Never say couldn't.
San so kain chingay kain.
8. Be honored.
Met ong lung dampi na sanglalin.
9. Don't be sad.
Pasya kain.
10. Be delighted.
Kilong nuam sakin.
11. Be satisfied.
Lung kim den in.
12. Be humble yourself.
Nang kiniyam kiat in.
13. Depend on your sight.
Mitim wan ding sangin, nang lay nang kimuang in.
14. Don't waste the time.
Hun mauk bui sa kain.
15. It can't be created.
Hun leh ni nang kutsung om lo ay.
16. Practice what you preach.
Na kampaw bang in gyam tain.
17. Don't argue but negotiate.
Mitaw kam na kiniyal sang, kikung kaum zaw in.
18. Make others happy.
Midang talong kim sak in.
19. Don't be short-sighted.
Namu nga say sak in.
20. Have mutual understanding.
Kat leh kat kital siam un.
21. Don't degrade.
Midang tilang bawa in pau kain.